Psych guys, Psych friends, how's it going? Today's going to be a work day, so I'm just going to walk you through your assignment for today. It's so easy. I figured let's have a work day today so that I can keep plowing through your studies. I'm trying to get them graded and provide ample feedback, so I just need time to do that. And that's why we have a work day today. To get counted, present, and participating, you have to log on to Canvas. I can track interaction within Canvas and use that for attendance. So here's the assignment. All right, the easiest way to navigate again is by clicking on the home page. This is a great starting off place. Just scroll on down. We're still working in learning target 3. Okay. All right, we did SC1 last Tuesday before break. We did SC2 yesterday, and that means today is SC3, which is thinking and problem solving. Okay. Click the blue link. And this is so simple, and that's why we're going to use this as the work day and as a catch-up day. Watch the video, answer the questions, read the little chunking and materials provided. Excuse me, sorry. And then keep going down, same thing. Go to the link, read, watch the video, answer the question, read, answer the question. It is really, 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 really simple. This should take you guys about 15 to 20 minutes, which leaves you with ample time to finish your study if you haven't got that to me, finish sleeping and memory, which is the last 2 assignments, and let me know if you need any help. You guys can do it. Pumbaa. Have a good day.